Look at this thing, guys. Old Chevy. This thing is just freaking awesome. Listen to everything. Holy shit. Damn. Whew. It's got screaming tires all over this bitch. Damn. Yeah. It's freaking awesome. Alright, now that's just freaking cool right there. You can do this with old Chevy. This is just awesome. We're gonna have a lot more videos, but sadly after work. See what else we can find. A lot of shit. Yeah, next year I'm taking this day off. Definitely. This. 33 Willies. Modded out. Alright, here's this old D-Bird. This thing is beautiful. Shizzle. Sick. Man. That's a D-Bird. I fucking love this shit. It doesn't get much more classic than this thing right here. Beautiful. Look forward. You can still hear some of the wild cars. Look at this. This is a classic. Camaro in the making. This is just freaking awesome. Oh my god. Here's another beautiful one I just seen. Look at this. Good old Woody. Beautiful. Or old V8 logos. Gotta love it. Oh, look at this thing. Like this. What's this? I don't see this every day. Classic fire truck. This is beautiful. Classic. It looks like it won an award. I don't blame him. This thing is beautifully done. Another Ford. None of these little things are Fords. This is what I can see. Cool cars over here. Supercharged Cobalt. Some rural stuff. Ooh. Look at this thing. Well, this is something you don't see all that often anymore. An old Cougar. Beautiful. This is a rare find right here. Do not see Cougars anymore. Alright, that should be it. Be a lot more to come next year.